Hi, welcome back to Poison
And Ivy.
and we took the Aero covers off of the Tesla Model 3.
Why did we do that, Brandon?
I just didn't like them.
I didn't either.
And the wheels behind are pretty nice.
They are.
So real quick, guys, you might be wondering how to get those Aero wheel covers off. It's very simple. You're just gonna start, you're gonna pull on each section. 1, 2, 3, and you can feel it'll start to release. And there you go. Aero wheel cover removed. Repeat the process to put it back on. Just line up the center hub, snap it back on. You do lose a little range, they say, but when you take them off, it leaves you with some ugly looking lug nuts, and the center bore there is not covered up. But there's a fix. We've got this little dress up kit here from Amazon. We'll put a link in the description below. Let's see how well they match. We don't know yet. Nut caps.
Go for the
To
peel.
protect. Ah, there we go. Let's see how well it matches.
It's pretty close. Close.
Not right on.
Oh, I mean,
Yeah, it's silver, not dark
that's
silver.
not the right color.
Well, we'll go with them for now. Let's try these little caps and see how they go on. That's easy. I might be trying another one of these. Hey guys, quick tip as you saw earlier. One of these little suction cups off Amazon, we'll link it down below, can help you get these caps off. So you just put it on there, pop the cap right off.
That was easy.
Yep. And I know I'm weird. I like to point the end of the T's to the valve stem as best I can. And then you just... Now, they suggest using a screwdriver, a small screwdriver to pop that off. What's that gonna do? That's gonna chip up all this paint right here.
Bad idea.
Get one of these. Even if you wrap a screwdriver in a towel or something, a flathead, you're still gonna mar this surface, so don't do that. There's your finished product. I like these wheel caps. Like I said, there's a million options on Amazon to figure out which ones you want, but we'll link below the ones we used here. The matte black definitely ties in together with the matte black surfaces on the rest of the vehicle.
Thumbs up.
All right, we appreciate you guys watching. Until the next video, have fun dressing up your wheels after you take the Aero covers off.